In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your My Tasks in Asana effectively. Whether you're using Asana for personal or professional purposes, getting a good grasp of organizing your task list can make a world of difference in productivity. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open up Asana and head over to the My Tasks section. This area serves as a personal task manager, allowing you to keep all your assignments and projects in check. Here, you're looking at everything that's been assigned to you. The first thing to note is the importance of due dates. Setting due dates is crucial for maintaining a good workflow because it gives you a timeline. To set a due date, click on a task and navigate to the calendar icon, selecting the specific date you'd like to aim for. This step keeps you on track and ensures that deadlines don't creep up unexpectedly. Next, you'll want to categorize your tasks. Think of categories as virtual folders that help distinguish between different types of assignments. Click on a task, and within Options, you'll find fields for adding tags or assigning it to a project. Use these features to create categories like urgent, ongoing projects, or whatever fits best with your style. Doing so not only improves visibility, but also allows you to quickly locate tasks based on priority or project alignment. Another useful tip is to utilize sections within My Tasks. Sections act as dividers in your list, which you can create by pressing Tab+N. Create sections like Today, This Week, and Later. Drag and drop tasks into these categories to give yourself an immediate visual representation of what needs attention immediately and what can wait. This separation also provides psychological relief, as seeing less urgent tasks move to later can reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. It's equally important to consistently review and update your task list. Schedule a few minutes at the end of each day or week to go through your tasks, adjusting due dates or sections as necessary. This regular review helps you stay current with changing priorities and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. The last point to cover is making the most of Asana's notification system. Enable notifications for task updates and nearing deadlines. This is a great way to receive reminders without having to constantly check your list. Through the Settings menu, you can adjust notification preferences to suit your needs. By following these steps, you'll become more adept at using Asana's My Tasks section. This newfound organization ensures that every task is accounted for, categorized, and managed effectively, boosting your productivity and control over your workload. Remember, consistency and regular updates are key to maintaining a streamlined task management system. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.